Hi everyone, my name is John Del Ihalas and I am a lead generation expert of The Profile. So prior po to my engagement dito sa The Profile, I'm a mathematics teacher for 12 years and I started having my training last December up until mid-January. So that training is very helpful for me to become equipped sa necessary skill for this industry. The training, I must say, is very practical, which is a good thing because less yung theory, yung application kaagad yung itinuturo sa amin. And the trainers are very approachable and they really good at explaining at a level na maintindihan kaagad. And whenever we have questions, they always accommodate, no? Kaagad, immediately. So that, kung may mga confusion man, ma-address kaagad yung confusions na yon. And after the training, yun, actual job na, they provide us they offer us the work, and the training is basically almost parehas na, ready na kaagad ako and other trainees din sa actual job because kung ano yung training, yun din yung work. So, yun. The environment when I'm in The Profile, very positive vibes talaga, and then there is this support system, tulungan if someone is having difficulty with a certain task. Someone will really accommodate your concerns, explain it in a gentle and comprehensive way. That's my experience. And we have this monthly formation, parang continue siya na training, tsaka meeting din to get to know other members of The Profile. Yun yung very thankful ako that I am part of this company, and no regrets that I am part of this. So for those of you who are planning to be part of the Profile Academy, sulit na sulit yung pag-join ninyo dito. And hopefully we will see you be part of the team.
Hi there, I'm Noelna, and I'm excited to share with you how The Profile has had a profound impact on my digital marketing skills and career growth. Back in 2020, I made a courageous decision to change careers, and as a former grade school teacher, I took a leap of faith and became virtual assistant. It was a thrilling and daunting transition, considering that I had no prior experience or any knowledge about digital marketing industry and being a virtual assistant. But all I did was to held on to what I am passionate about, and that's creating social media posts and graphics. From the moment I joined, I felt a sense of belongingness and support. The Profile provided me with a wealth of resources and training that I could use in honing my digital marketing skills. And one aspect that truly stood out for me was the community in The Profile. I had a privilege in connecting like-minded people around the world who share the same passion for digital marketing. Collaborating with them, exchanging ideas, and receiving constructive feedback pushed me to strive for excellence. The Profile has provided me the tools and knowledge that I needed to succeed in this ever-changing industry. And using that tools and knowledge, I was able to provide or deliver exceptional results for my clients. Not did only The Profile enhance my technical skills, but also fostered my personal growth. The moment I step out of my comfort zone, I became more confident in my abilities and more resilient in the face of obstacles. And now I'm in the profile for almost 3 years, and looking back on my journey, I am grateful to be part of the profile. It has been a catalyst for my professional growth and success, shaping me into the digital marketing professional that I am today. The profile is more than just a company. It's a transformative experience. Once again, I'm Noel Najan Polinar, and I'm proud to be the profile expert.
Hi, my name is Kasin. I'm part of the profile for almost 3 years. I started my career here as a recruitment specialist, but due to the trainings and the materials provided by the profile, I was able to work my way up from supervising a team to operations manager. And right now, I am directing the company as a whole. That is because of all of the materials and all of the skills that I acquired due to the trainings that has been provided to me by the profile. So I did not just grow in just career wise, but also in my personal life, which is one of the most important thing, especially when you're working at home. Thank you, the profile.
Alrighty, ayan. Thank you so much. And hello world, hello Philippines. Kamusta? I know everyone is excited for tonight's entry. Ayan. Ayan. Of course, we are here today for another The Rockstar VA show. Ayan. If meron tayong guest speaker, we also have guest host. The instant guest host. Ayan. So again, by the way, this is Miss Ken. So my team called me Miss Ken. I'm the founder and the CEO of the profile. And it was, recently we had this initiative to create this podcast, this webinar, whatever it may be. Sabihin nyo ang gusto itawag sa iya, but our very purpose of doing this is, of course, to give awareness to people about this career, about becoming a VA, and at the same time, of course, this is our way of giving back, no, whatever experience we do have. Because as they say nga, diba, if it's wise, or I mean, it's smart to learn from your experience, but I guess it's smarter to learn from the experience of others. And that's the reason why every Tuesday we conduct this The Rockstar VA show, because we wanted to invite people who has really real experience in the space. And without further ado, ayan, no? So I would love to introduce our guest speaker for tonight. Ayan, no? So ato ang tagline pa lang, basig na curious na mo ba, no? Ako wala pag ko nag-expect actually, dudes, na mo day imuhang ang imuhang background, no? But, well, the first job, I guess, that he had, or the experience that he has, is as a, kung ginatawag pa na muna siya sa Denken is, I forgot. But, kuan siya, si tawagan ni Oy. Kaya pa today, Miss Ken. But he is actually a server. Ang sige dito mo tawagan namin, captain server previously, and right now a rockstar VA serving international clients. And take note, guys, requested na siya ha, multiple, one single client that we do have, gipahandle siya og multiple nga campaign ato na amo ang client because of the quality of work that he has been doing with the existing account or campaign that he has given. So without further ado, help me welcome BD Noel na. Help me welcome BD, our guest speaker for tonight, no other than Mr. Michael John Co. Guys, dili si Luis Monsano amo ang kuan karon ha. So si Mr. Michael na siya, mura lang gid na siya si Lucky. Ay, okay, napiyok pa. Hello, kamusta ta daga na side dudes?
Hello? Madunggan ba ko?
Yes, but murag medyo hinay. Sige daw, dudes. Sabi daw ka, hello, dudes, kamusta ta diha na side?
Okay ra kayo.
Awesome. It's great to see you today. And of course, BD Nuwala, thank you so much for joining us tonight. So, dudes, no, na naman kita diri karon so mag-interview na lang gyud ta. No,
Lagi, pinaabtik.
pina-uptick but I'm sure wala
Mm.
ganiha pa jud ka mga ano pa lang 25 minutes ago prepared na kayo si dudes. And of course, I know no, it would be a very parang natural conversation because eventually we're just gonna talk about your experience. And at the same time, no, probably we could really learn like an aha moment from you being in the space and so on. So to start with, dude, can you tell us a bit about your background before becoming a virtual assistant?
Okay. So, dati is, duha jud ka restaurant akong gitrabahoan. First is sa may Gaisano, pero wala na to karon. Murag i-change na nila ang kuan. Then, sa probinsya restaurant sa may Victoria, murag dara jud ko nagdugay og waiter, mga pila pod ka years. Then, nag-stop ko kaning eskwela ko sa Yusef Balik
Mm-hmm.
o katong Bachelor in Computer Technology. Tapos nag-stop, then nagtrabaho na po sa Davao Electrical as a sales slash encoder. So,
I see. So therefore, no, you have an experience quite a bit in sales because I believe even kanang as a server murag mag-sales magyapon ka, sir, unsa may kanang nindot lagi na menu, di ba? So you will really gonna sana warm up whatever kanang best menu for the day, and at the same time na apo day kay experience sa sales and also as an encoder because probably ba a lot of people they are hesitant man good, no, everyone is hesitant to be in the space as a virtual assistant. Unsa man na siya, I don't have a background with that and so on. But always nako ginaingon no, just as our last session na actually wala gid siya like wala man siguro yung tao nagipanganak na okay VA na din ko. It's my it's my destiny to become a VA right there and then. But it's a matter of who has the grit and who has the willingness to really to learn the industry and at the same time to to be an expert, no. So before tamo proceed sa to ang next dudes, daghan kay nagpa-shout out from Tagum City. We have Andrea, we have of course Juna. Ay grabe, shout out from JSIS Matina USA. Iwagayway ang bandera gahiya sa tong speaker no nay gahi jud kaayo lodi ng bayan mga moms. And Luis Mansado ng TP. So before dudes, gusto na ako mag-say hi kasi mo mga fans binatay 20 million viewers for tonight.
hi fans! Bisa mo dira, relax lang mo kay watch watch me.
Watch me whip, watch me nay. Awesome. Yay. So thank you again, no. Kabalo ko busy jud kay this actually napa ni siya campaign na ipang-handle right after this. But you are really like generous enough to share us your time, no, to share your very own experience in the space. So, dudes, without further ado, no, actually, trivia lang di ay guys ha. So, we started TP officially back in 2020 man jud siya murag gi-launch. But back in 2019, I've already started to, to create some learning, I mean, some, sa natawagan ni kanang training videos, even if I don't have a team just yet. Like, ingana ako ang vision with the company that it will really grow. So, na nag-training video na ko guys, na ako'y logo, bisag ka nang wala pa na ako siya officially gilaunch. And just a trivia, the first person who trusted the company is no other than the person, our guest for tonight. So, I'm very grateful, dudes, that you really said yes. And you know what? We started the company na, kumbaga ba, like, syempre, no, as we all know, like, ngit-ngit pa sa alketran. Nabay, mga Tagalog dali, kamo na adjust sa mga guys, no? So, like, wala, jud. Like, I mean, di man wala. The vision, my vision is really clear. But, trusting na wala pa jud siya, di pa siya tangible. Well, that's another story. But you really trusted, no? So, I wanted to ask, dude, like, what motivate you to pursue a career in the VA industry?
One miss kan siguro kung base na ako sa inyo ha, kay first time sa inyo ha, jud nako first time nga nakasulod jud og DA, medyo kuan jud siya kanang bag-o jud siya sa ako, then murag refreshing good kaayo kay nakagawas ko sa toxic nga mga natrabahoan ako dati. Mao man pud ng isa sa reason nga nung nihawa ko sa akong mga gitrabahoan kay
Mm.
toxic nga kusog kayo ang bullying pud ba murag kana mo gud akong mga kuan jud gud kay isa pud na sa akong giiwasan kay akong papa mo gud nagpasulod so medyo moiwas na lang ko mo to ni ako na lang ni adjust ni resign na lang ko para dili pud
Mm.
makuan ang pagkakuan sa akong pagpasulod sa akong papa ba so kadto nya
Mm.
mo to na timing pod nga nagkuan na to si Boss Denmark sa ako ang nakay itinindog ana ko nga na dudes gwapo jud kayo na nga
Itindog.
kuan gwapo jud kayo na nga sa tawag na nga business kay nakita pala nako sa inyo nga daan nga kuan jud kayo mo ba kugi kayo mga mag-partner kay
Mm.
dito pala mo daan sa Kawayan Drive sa Matina pa mo daan kuan na kayo mo dito kamong duha ni Dudes Denmark dito pa mo dati nag-office kana ana ba so ana ko dire jud ko sa inyo hamukuan kay klaro na magud kayo nga kuan nga ma-push jud ninyo to nga dream ninyo ba no kadto
So thank you so much for that, Dudes. No, happy birthday to me na naman ba ito? But yeah, you know, I think what I love to highlight now based on what you just mentioned is like the toxicity of a certain company or a certain industry makes actually the people quit. It's not how hard the work is. Actually, majority gyud dili gyud siya about like lisod ang trabaho, but most often based on statistic, it's because of the toxic environment. And I think this is also what I love about, working from home because dili man jud good makalikayan. I think that's no siguro it would be quite different or it would be quite hard if we are going to be in the same space tapos pressure ka. So syempre there would really be times na bad days and there would really be times na irritable ka and so what's inside you comes out. So mahimo na siyang even to other people you start to show up as irritable. So I think one of the key thing here that makes our culture even greater is that we do not see each other at times that we don't feel being our best selves. So which means dili na to mapasa ang energy, na negative
tama
energy. And kung sa chat lang, pwede ka man dyan. Even if you don't feel anything, mag-smile lang ka, okay na. Diba? So I think that's also one of the perks. It just makes me realize ba na tama, no? Isasad na siya sa, murag ato ang pasalamatan, that we do not work in a physical space na dili na to ma-share ang kung unsa man ato ang mga kabugaton to other people because mo lagi na we rarely see each other. But I think even if actually I also, I've also had an experience man pod working from home. Actually, ang culture gyud sa company, might that be physical or might that be remote working, really depends on how, we've built up the culture. And speaking of culture, dude, how was it, how was the experience like compared to, the previous work that you had?
kuan Miss Ken buyag lang gid kayo ni sa kuan na dili sa bias pero nakailan mo gud ako tanan jud nga kuan nga tao sa the profile so kuan jud siya buyag jud siya nga wala jud toxic nga tao gani labi nag sa personal grabe mga jolly jud kaayo labi nag sa kanang magkuan ta mag gathering ta bisan pa nagsalang kay pero naa jud ang ilang kuan ba enthusiasm gud nga makikita jud nga murag wala gud napilitan nga ana ba murag mao jud na akong kuan jud sa the profile jud nga pagbalhin jud nako sa pagka-VA.
Wow, that's amazing. So in relation to what we just mentioned a while ago, 'di ba, when you do not see often, one of the positive side of that as well is you get to be excited, no? Labi na in our team, we always, engage with each other like that. May engagement activity every day. So even if we work from home, we get to know each other like unsa man imong kahadlukan, 'di ba? Na mga ingana na mga pakulo, guys. Like, or unsa pa ba ka nang unsay nasi mong desktop karon sa makita na mo kinsa to mga hugawan.
Ah,
Wag kita pa naman sa mga Olimpiado, sa team, no? So, but you get to, even if we don't see each other often. So actually, in our culture, we meet each other like I think 3 to 4 times a year. But when we meet, it is as if we know each other for a long time. Even those people na bago pa lang maka-join sa team, like we're really excited about that. And I think that's also one of the like advantages really to be working from home because kana siya, you will be excited to get to know your teammate. Ayan. So say hello pa shout out gihapon, grabe daga pa shout out sa mga lodi. Luis Manzano, ayan, may pa-heart din tayo from Yula Kaputnitan. Ayan, hello, hello. And by the way, guys, if you do have any question you would love me to ask, based on Michael's experience or whatever questions you do have in relation to the industry, please do let us know and we would be very happy to answer your question. And speaking of question, dudes, my fourth question, no? What skills or lessons from your past jobs have helped you as a VA? Kay mo lagi akong ingon kaganina no na people often think na ay this is not for me kay layo ra kayo no. For example, ay kuan ko, maestra ko nya layo ka kayo as a VA or salesperson ko layo ka kayo as a VA. So ikaw personally based on your past experiences, how did it help you with your current role right now as a lead generation expert?
Siguro ma'am, kay ako ang pagka-patient kay siyempre mga client nimo is dili man same sa ato og nationality. So kailangan pa jud nimo pataasan imong patient. Then ang unsa ang kanang pagka-proactiveness, kanaan agud mas napakuan pa jud ako dati kay proactive nako. Tapos medyo mas napalabwan pa nako ba unya daghan kog kuan. Daghan pa kog na-try nga mga bag-o ba nga unsa nga nice gud kaayo sa feeling nga daghan kag ma-learn. Nadala nimo gikan sa imong past kuan nga mas maka-learn pa pud jud ay kag daghan ani.
And that's amazing. So gusto na ko i-highlight tong duha ka buok imong na-mention, Michael, no? Like, I think the one is flexibility and the other is proactiveness. And this key, actually, kani dyan duha, na-highlight yun nato ni sa ato ang course, no, na very important yun as a VA that you have this too. Proactiveness in a sense that, of course, since you will be dealing client who's not physically makita ka na nag-work and everything. So you have to be proactive. You have to have that sense of responsibility that you give them update towards your progress. You give them update towards, kana sa mga unsa gihimo nimo, EOD or something like that, no? And then also flexibility because I know those as you've mentioned, the past nimo na experience was you're a salesperson and at the same time an encoder. So that really, shifting from one role to another. And as a VA, especially that you have experienced general VA role, tama, with Richard
Oo.
Paul. And you have to be very flexible because your client actually from the first place hired us as a VA because they need support. And
Mm.
in business, dili man as much as we wanted that everything is flawless and everything is structured, but there would really be times na uy, labi na pag negosyante na innovative kayo makunaw na pug ay lahi na pud na pamaagi or lahi na pud na sistema.
Tapos
So kada
daghan pa
doon,
gid og kuan
'di ba? Sige ta,
weekend,
sharing nimo hang experience ana katong kay
oo.
Richard Paul.
Katong kay Richard daghan kaayo tog clients murag 30 ka pin ka clients niya ba. Tapos siyempre ikaw ang mismo mag-reply sa ilahang mga clients pod. Clients ni Richard, reply pod ka sa ilang mga clients pod, mga pila pod no ka kuan. So kaya baka na murag dapat every accounts lahi-lahi pod imong approach sa message. So ayan na baka na murag kailangan jud nimo kuan jud nimo imong pagka unsa ba pagka flexible gud sa tanan nga kuan labi na sa pag pag-send og messages kay ang messages kuan jud kay na kang crucial labi nag makaunsa dapat same jud sa level sa katong client jud niya kana ana gud dito jud ko na challenge og taman sa iya.
in which that challenge turned into a blessing because once you started right now, you're handling three, tama ba ko, Dads? You're
Oo,
handling
tama.
three
3.
profiles. And, you know, easy na lang kayo. Imagine 30 to 3. Wala, easy. 'Di ba? So, which really makes you like really a rock star because imagine you've overcome that. Plus the fact, what was the most challenging, I guess, Dudes? Working directly with the client.
Ang client mismo, Miss Ken, dili labad ang iyang client. Ang
Ang
client
client
mismo.
mismo. Kato si ano mismo, si
Daghan
R.
daghan gani nagkakuan comment sa ako, Miss Ken, nga ingnan daw nila si Richard nga ani, nga nice daw kay ako mga upload siya message, yun nga.
Wow.
Murag saya ha kay medyo off na, murag ana good. Kayang gusto nila kuan, ay gusto niya ipakuan pa daw kay mas gina-priority ni iyang mga bots, murag ana good. Mo medyo
Mm.
nakuan pud ko na dito ko na pressure or na challenge pa sa iya.
But those challenges,
Mm,
made you who you are today. And that's the reality, ha. Again, guys, we're here not to, just tell you the the petals among the roses, the flowers and everything, but
mm,
really here to tell you what to expect really in the
mm,
industry. So, for example, just as what Michael mentioned, na there are really clients that are sometimes unreasonable. Like, sometimes they wanted more of what is expected from us. And but then again, at the end of the day, kadang pag na-overcome ni mo siya, 'di ba, how does it feel like? Like the clients, his clients appreciate you despite and in spite, the internal challenges that you had handling different campaigns plus the expectation of that client.
mm. Para sa ako Miss Ken kay lami siya sa feeling kay mas mapaayo pa nako ilahang mga accounts ba. Bisan pag dili kuan ang direct client, sila makaunsa para hatagan ako sila importansya ba, kay sila man ko naghahatag og kwarta pod kay Richard. Though si Richard dili gahatag og importansya sa ilaha, murag ana good so murag ginakuan jud ako nga siyempre kailangan jud na ma-retain na sila nga mga client niya.
Hmm,
Pero
hmm.
nahibalaan ako nga dili dayon nga na si Richard murag gusto niya nga i-change every month ang mga clients murag ana good medyo naay kuan
Hmm.
pa na ni
Mm.
downside sa iyaha.
Mm. Mm.
Kato
I see, no? So, lahi gid siya. That's
oo.
really the reality. Lahi gid siya. But just being in a space of giving, like giving
Mm,
value, as what you've mentioned, when you take good care of your clients take good care of you.
oo.
And that's really like a gem there. Because sometimes, yeah, it's reality, no, we wanted or we are in this, we work because, of course, monetary value. Kay syempre, alam nga naman, charity nga, dili trabaho, di ta bayaran. So, syempre, we work because we wanted to get paid for living. But I think if you go beyond to that mentality we're in, I wanted to give more because I wanted to give value based on what I am hearing from you. That's another level. And when God sees you na kapiyalan na ka into small things, He will really give you more, more that you can ever imagine. And that's what, I'm hearing from you na right now. Imagine, katalagi request na ni Calvin, no, na I want Michael to handle, another two accounts from us. So imagine, di ba? So pag makita ni client that you are, that you are reliable, eventually they would be the one who would gonna refer business to you. They would really gonna request for your service because you are irreplaceable. And that's something that I am seeing here. No, so with that being said, Dods, I'll go before pa ta manghilak sa ato ang sa ato ang topic ayan. Sige, thank you so much everyone. Go Dods, go Dods. Wow, proud of you, Dods. Sige, next is what do you enjoy most about being a VA?
Sa'yo kuan Miss Ken, puwede nimo madala-dala ang work bisan asa nga dili ka ma-pressure. Like siyempre kung nakailaag puwede ra nimo kuanon, bag-on ang laptop mag-ana ba unya siyempre maka-bond nimong family.
Mm.
Nga dili ka maghuna-huna sa oras nga, "Uy napa man di ko'y work," mag-ana ba. Kanang labi sa especially jud sa family jud miskin kanang na ako diri permanente sa balay kung kailangan og tabang diri sa balay kay naadayon ko nga
Mm.
dili ko ma-worry nga naa ako sa trabaho nga naa sa
Mm.
gawas mag-anak ba kay siyempre akong papa trabaho akong mama walay lalaki kauban mag-anak
Mm.
mm,
Wow,
okay.
that's very beautiful, no? It might sound very murag kumbaga simple, basic, but to me, for me, if you would really gonna ask me, even ako personally, mo na ako ang answer sa question doon. It's like being able to be productive, to earn in the comfort of your home. Like imagine, like karon ha, by the way, guys, na late big 10 minutes sa among starting time because grabe ka traffic kanang na traffic jud ko and imagine na-realize na ko ba dito habang naga-drive ko instead of being pissed off, with the situation, I was able to shift my mindset in a space of being grateful. Na Lord, thank you that every day dili na ko ni siya ma-encounter. Thank you that I don't have to be stuck in the traffic for an hour doing nothing while my baby is waiting for me, waiting for me sa balay. Because, right now, after this, igo lang ako i-off akong laptop and then I go back to my child, spending quality time with them. And pumunta ako ang nadungog sa mga dudes. And, kana pa lang, kani po daan, kana ganing mag-leave pa ka, di ba, pag naka sa physical na working environment, ang leave, dili basta-basta. Tama ba ko, dudes?
Kuan misken naa pa gyud dapat kay fill upan tapos dapat valid sa ilahang rules ang kuan ang imong reason tapos kuan pag gyud kanang um, dapat kuan na murag need na nga murag naay medyo emergency na jud kay nga grabe ka emergency para lang maka-absent ana good ka kay dati ako naka-try jud ko nga nakagikalintura ko nga nakatrabaho gyapon kay di lisod lagi kay maka-absent murag ana ba
Mm.
kay need pa mag-file og absent form tapos bawasan pa jud ang sahod nga gamay na gyud kay bawasan pang sahod kaya ana sayang na ang adlaw kana.
I totally agree. Though I haven't had any experience man jud no working in a physical space, but like ako naman pud may business jud na other than the profile which is not work from home. In a perspective pud sa business owner, no. Lisod man jud pud mapulihan ang tao diha dayon pag nay-absent ana gani. So it's isa gid na siya sa murag pasalamatan nato na nata ingani ka flexible na time ba na even if for example, gikalintura ka, makatabaho kagyud ka. Kay syempre nagamang ka sa balay, no, ana. And then, there would really be times, okay, sige, pwede. As long as, actually, of course, us being honest enough na mahuman jud nato or kung di gud makaya manangit sa kliyente. Di ba? Murag,
Oo.
that's one jud. And then if ever na naay mga, kana lagi get together with the family, you could just bring your laptop with you. Work, be productive, let's just say for 2 to 3 hours if dili
Mm.
man gani like 8 hours ang imuhang role or kind of more of like task based siya like for example for Michael's role, then you can do it and then enjoy the rest of the time. So I think that's it. So thank you. And then next, Michael, is that how has the VA industry impacted your growth and mindset?
Kani kuan kung sa ako ang kuan misken is ang communication skills dili man jud gud kayo ko ka istoryador ana ba mao tong isa pod sa akong kuan pod nga pagsulod na ako diri sa VA kay chat based lang siya dati mga ana ba sa imong pagkuan ba sa ako mag ganahan kay ko pero kung nagakuan ang TP naga-evolve nagtaman dito na nako na practice jud ako ang unsa ba bisan pa lagi magkabulol-bulol na sa client. Bay na lang ang client kay understandable kaayo si Calvin, si Stephen, kana sila bahala up. Makasabot japon sila. Tingala ko kay makasabot japon sila. Sa ako mga ginapasabot, ana ba? Akong communication skill ba kana gina-practice ko jud ako nagtama, akong time management. Then ang kuan kanang naka-learn kog mga bag-o jud nga unsa mga bag-o nga things ba nga mas mo kuan pa akong life dun, grow pa akong self, i-grow pa na ako akong self na
That's so amazing. That's so beautiful. Actually, I was expecting a while back when I asked you about the challenges na communication ang imong na-highlight. So, actually, kanang, ang si tawag ani, sa tinuod lang guys, ang perfectionist lang yun when it comes to communication, especially with the English language, are Filipinos. Mas hinawayan pa ta sa mga, sa mga foreign people because they know and they are aware that it's not their first language. So, if muna ang imo ang hesitation na, wait lang, as long as syempre no, makakommunicate kahit papano, dili jud necessarily na maayo jud because a lot of people are also hesitant ba because I'm not that good in English or so on and so forth. So siguro sa ako alang pud na end murag syempre I'm an English major, murag advantage siya, no? But then again, it doesn't have to be like you are really excellent when it comes to communication. As long as you can communicate and with the help of AI right now, no, very helpful na makayo, especially with the with kanang emails and so on. So, i-ano lang ka, create kay imong message, improve. Automatic si AI mo hatag og suggestions sa imo right now. So, pinadali po gyud ang ato ang kuan, ang ato ang processes right now. And then, as what you've mentioned, no, it's a matter of just having practice na pag nagsige kag communicate sa mga client, eventually ma-realize sa di mo sa imong self, like what you've mentioned, dudes, di ba, na murag, hala, kaya man di ay. No? Because we have this mentality of ours that, we limit or we see ourselves less. So, tanaoy ka ng self imposter syndrome. Now, we see ourselves less, di ko maayo mo ani, dili ni para sa ako, like for example, dili para sa ako mo earn og aning much because I see myself less. If that's your belief, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, God will gonna respect your belief. So it's time for you to grow. And was what you've mentioned, dudes, no, na in this industry, dili pa din na mag-stick lang ka as to where you are at. If you really wanted to grow more your income, if you really wanted to grow more your value, eventually you really have to step up the game. Tama? So, right na, nakatuon na si automation, nakatuon na og mga high level dira, mga CRM. Di ba? And
CRM, mga LinkedIn tools, dira nga, wala jud na ko gina-expect nga, gianak ko, ana.
exactly. And eventually, through that, murag, hala, ma-amaze pud ka sa progress nimo, 'di ba? Like seeing yourself, dudes, like back in 2019, December to siya ng mga time, ako nga or November na ng mga time, Burmans, hoy, hala ka dudes, mga ano na, pila ka years na. Like 5 years ago, imagine. Sige dudes, 5 years ago, I wanted to ask this question, no? Like, how do you see yourself right now? Like, if you are going to talk to your past self 5 years ago, what advice would you tell Michael?
Siguro ko be patient. Ingon lang ako, be patient lang gyud. Dong kay nadyo'y moabot nga blessing sa imong kay dati kay dili man gud kay ko anak ka patient jud dati. So anak ko nga time will come jud dong nga nadyo'y blessing moabot sa imong be patient lang gyud. Kay di na ko pwede ingon sa imong karon kung unsa to. Pero be patient og ayaw jud pagpunong og learn. Labi nag sa kuan sa imuhang gi-eskwelahan dati kay duol-duol pud to sa imuhang ana ba hint tagan og hint.
Yes. Okay. Ano sa ganito yung BSMT? Tama ba ko doon? Ay, BSMT.
Comtech.
Ay, Comtech,
Ay,
computer.
kamera.
May BSMT.
Bus gani.
Comtech.
Oo.
Diba? So, that's amazing. And I'm sure, your past self is really grateful for the steps that you've had, for not giving up, as what you've mentioned, for saying yes. And how about those people? As we have 18 million in our live right now is watching, what would the advice no na imong mahatag sa ilaha who are in a space right now na murag considering if this is the industry for me, who wanted nagaisip pa if this is a career shift that they wanted to venture out. So what is your advice to them? Especially that those people na same sa imuha og experience na totally not related ang past job or ang current job right now.
Ako maingon jud Miss Ken no is ang VA is safe zone ni siya sa tanan nga course. Bisan pag unsa imong mga course dira basta willing lang jud ka mo sulod. dili siya lisod-sudlan pero lisod ang work ha, honestly lisod ang work pero dili siya lisod-sudlan. Mag-ana gud kung kabalo lang jud ka mo unsa na mo learn before ka mosulod ana nga job description, dapat kabalo ka sa background. Kay karon kay medyo kuan naman kay competition na sa mga applicants so dapat kabalo ka sa background before ka mosulod ana nga job description. Kana dapat before ka mosulod ayo sa jud og hunong og learn and hibal-it lang sa jud ang kana nga job. Ana gud.
Wow, I like it when you mentioned na this is actually, I would say, a space for everyone,
Mm.
in a sense na very diverse man gud kaayo ang role. Like
Mm.
for example, I think bupod niya mong nahisgutan last nato na podcast, no? Na if you are a creative person, you really have a place as a VA. If
Mm.
you are a type of a person that is critical thinker, you also have a role for this industry. And then if you are a type of a person analytical ka, pwedeng-pwede sad kaayo. Kay it's, like jack of all trades. If you really wanted to excel and really earn more from this industry, you have to be like have that jack of all trades mentality. And then, once you try to kanang discover unsa ang imuhang core, eventually dito ka mag-focus. And then, because our goal here is for you to find out what you love, and then when work and play becomes one. Because when work and play becomes one, you will not be, even if there are times na kapoy physically or, kapoy mentally, emotionally, but you will still gonna have that passion to work because, like you love what you do.
Mm.
And I think that's one thing yun. Like, very, dili siya ingon ba na, okay, stick lang jud ka for the next 15 years, mo ka gid na imong role. Pwede jud ka mo venture out from one role to another. And I think that's the beauty about, this industry. And siguro, one last question that I have for you, Michael, no, is that, what's your, murag, thought, no? People saying ba na kanang pwede mo diretso na lang ko pagka VA without going through learning skill set or without going through training or courses. So what's your realistic advice to those people?
Kana misken kay na experience yun ako na tong pagsulod yun ako sa the profile. Akong reaction yun ato ano, murag kuan unsaon ako ni mag-ana gud. So kung ako pa sa ilaha, kung mosulod jud sila ani nga role no, ikuan jud mag-research jud kaayo, research jud dapat hibalaan nila kung unsa ilang niche, ana unsa ilang goal. Kay siyempre kung kabalo na sila sa ilang goal, so kabalo na sila kung gusto man sila nga naay agency, siyempre kabalo na sila kung unsa ilang ibutang sa ilang resume, kung unsa ilang strength sa trabaho ana. Kung gusto man sila nga mag-freelance sila, siyempre mangita sila work nga sulod pud sa ilahang kuan sa ilang starting role.
Mhm.
Nga dapat ikuan sa jud ayaw dili jud dapat pwede mangayog client na lang diretso. Unya unsaon man nimo ang client?
Hi.
Sige daw unsaon nimo ang client? Kabalo ka
Correct,
unsa
correct.
ang need sa client, ana ba?
Mm.
O sige daw
Mhm.
hatagan tag client. Unya iyahang need kay calls or unsa kanang cold leads. O sige kabalo ka na unsa nang cold leads nga ana mga warm leads makakuan ka maka-search kag warm leads. Untay email marketing. O kabalo ka unsa nang email marketing. Yung mga ana nga kuan karon ba nga mga role sa unsa so
Correct.
dapat kabalo sa ka sa imong goal. Marag ikuan sa jud nimo kung unsa jud imong goal before ka mosulod sa pagka VA.
I love that. I love how realistic that is. Mura siya gingani ba? Mura siya kunyari, gusto ko mag-VA kid ako kay sila mga income, tag
Mm.
6 digits na mga income, ay nag-work from home and everything. Tapos, kunyari, for example, ay ganahan ko, mura siya gingani, ay ganahan ko mahimong doktor. So, sige, gusto ka mahimong doktor. Nya tagaan ti ka karon og sige operahin eh.
Mm.
Nya wa ka kabalo, unsaon. So, mura sad siya ing anak,
Kaya
guys,
ba?
no? Dili na siya ingon na nagpislit-pislit lang mi sa mga computer and then that's it. Nagka-income na dahil mi, gipadadaan na dahil mi sa mga kliyente. It's not that. And what I wanted to highlight is, true enough, ingon si Michael no na, do your research and so on. And sometimes that blocks us to pursue because ma-overwhelm tayo. There are a lot of, resources. Asa ko magsugod? Unsa ako pagkabalo? That is why, sama sa inyo may kagana, na-experience niya before na murag, syempre no, again, he was the first VA that trusted TP. So, wala pa gid mi proper system ato, wala pa may ka ng, like, solid, and it was just starting, and, but where he is right now, 'di ba? Because of the process and just allowing and trusting the process of upskilling himself, of trusting the company, and how much more, no? Kani, i-plug na lang gid ako, guys. Kay daghan jud kaayo sige message sa ako about ka na, ay, dili, mag-undergo pa day ni og course, dili pa day ni ka ng tagaan na mig work dayon. Sana all, gay ko kliyente be kay ako mag-work dayon. Pero, I mean, guys, like, if Michael was able to earn right now a good, I'm sure, no, far from what he is earning before. Far from what he is earning before, enjoying the advantages of becoming a VA, working from home, spending quality time with his family, and at the same time being productive, serving clients with the kind of system that we had before now, wa pag ayo, how much more for the years of experience that we've put out in one course for you to just be learning it. And always din ako ni ginaingon, the only reason for this course to not work if you don't apply what we will be giving. Because guys, if you would gonna see my Facebook account right now, kung watching ka karon, view my Facebook account, Kenneth Dale Villaga Comidoy, I'm very passionate when it comes to coaching people. Like, I coach people not just becoming a VA, I coach people to live life in abundance. And I had one review from one of my clients in my coaching business that I really give my all. So as we created this course, it's out of passion, out of love, because I wanted to surround myself to people who are winning. And I cannot do it for you guys. Like, even if gusto na ako, tanan akong pamilya, tanan akong kaila, tanan akong team members, abundant living, when we say abundant living, like really winning in life, living the life that they want and not waking up, na pagod, not waking up na walay drive and passion to live life. But I cannot do it for you. And the only thing, even God cannot do that for us. So we have to do our job. And our job is to do the work. And if you are really willing, so willing to win in this space, na di gikapoy na baka na ma-traffic, gikapoy na baka na matinggan na lang kala, akong anak, dako naman. Kaya nga naman, muuhawa ka sa inyong balay, perting sayuha, muli ka, perting dugay, tulog na. And duwa na nimo siya nakita, ma-shock na kala, dako na siya. Kaya nga ako bitaw duhod, okay, wa pa man jud ni anak si Michael na pohon, karasa naman duhod siya.
Ay,
So,
kuhan.
ala, nitingog na, watching ka ba doon? Ayan, so, ako as a mom I have a 2-year-old child. Wala jud ko nakaingon na, hala, dali ka kanida ko ni Ayay, because every day I've seen her milestone. And I think that's, if not for me not for the 6 digits. I don't want to hype you na marag right there and then 6 digits ka. That's reality. You can achieve that depending on you. Okay, we have again the first speaker that we have, she's earning that much because grabe sad kaayo ang iyahang pag pursue. But just as wins such as what Michael mentioned a while back, that being able to support her mom, kay siya lang ang lalaki na nasa balay, 'di ba? And being able to travel with the family, I think that's enough reason for you to consider this industry. And again, that's the very reason why we have real life people in our podcast, because I want you to really see the reality of this industry. The hardship, the challenges, the wins, the perks, and yeah, that is what it is about. Now, kung curious na ka, where to start, just message us if you're watching right now. Guys, believe me. Like, uy, gabi, abot na lang yun, panghatag kaayo ang amo ang course. Because again, we want, and by the way, the way we envision our company is we wanted to provide thousands of opportunities to Filipinos. And with that, right now, we have been working so hard to have not just clients, but really partners who works with us. And we've onboarded recently a partner who really wanted to grow his business, white labeled our services, so which means mo siyang franchise sa the profile. And our team right now, puno-puno na. Na dudes, kaya pa, duha ka na yan. So that's why, we do also, the very reason, nga nang dili na lang mag-training, guys, we don't have time to train anymore for free because paspas ang dagan ang facing sa amuang agency right now. So that's why we wanted to attract people who wanted to help themselves, who wanted to push themselves and, be in a space of like really learning. And kanang na drive ba? Kaya again, people who pays attention. Muna na ako ang na-learn. Kaya kung for free lang ni mo dudes, wala, dili na makita ang value. But if you're really gonna pay for it and you know that you've paid for it, di ba, you will really gonna find way na mag-ROI ka. And those are the things, again, what you will be learning in our course is, of course, you will gonna learn how to become a rockstar VA. So that's why we have this Rockstar VA show, because our team are rock stars. We will be supporting you on how to become a social media expert, lead generation, unleash your creative genius, and a lot of lessons, bonuses that will really gonna support you, not just to become part of our agency. If your goal is to become a freelancer, we will also gonna be teaching you how to get clients, how to attract clients, what are the things that you put on your resume, the interview process, everything, what kind of character you have to have in order for you to attract the right clients in place. And with that, no, again, dudes, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for joining with me tonight, sharing your own experience, and of course, being generous enough to join us tonight, no? I know na very valuable imong time, napakikapain after this, but you being of value to other people, learning from you tonight really makes me happy. And I'm sure there's 12 million people in our room right now who stayed with us up until the last time. They're so happy as well. So, sige, final words from you this before we end up our podcast for today.
Kuan, pag-pa-enroll na mo. Kay nice jud kayo. Kani kay murag kuan na jud ni. Kay para daghan na ta. Nga ba? Siyempre kay ni tabang ngayon lang jud ba kana ana ba? Siyempre kani chance na jud ninyo kung gusto na jud mo mugawas sa inyong comfort anang inyong kuan ba gusto ninyo mugawas sa inyong comfort zone. Kapoy gid kuan na mo kanang burnout na mo sa inyong work. Siyempre mao na ni inyong chance kay bisan unsa pa na inyong gitrabahoan dira or unsa pa inyong course. Welcome jud kay mo aning academy.
Thank you for that, dudes. And lastly, no, last plug na lang, guys, before we end up our call. Thank you so much sa pang malakasan ni muna, dudes. So this is where you will also gonna be getting like, if you would gonna visit our website, you will be getting this Unlock Your Path to Success as a virtual assistant. So this is one of the webinars that we've had. I think that was year ago. And then here you will gonna see, what are the modules that we do have and more, info. And I think kanigid ang pinaka marag highlight namo is that we have a community. So which means we will really gonna be engaging with you, and personally, I will gonna meet you on a month-to-month basis. So I will gonna be personally coaching you and teaching you and really gonna support you along the way. And that being said, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Again, this is the Rockstar VA Show. Our guest speaker for tonight, we have Michael Janko, from a waiter to a Rockstar VA. Thank you so much and have a great day, everyone. Bye for now. Thank you, dudes. Bye.
Bye.